Azizan Muhtaram, Assalamu alaikum. And today I'm going to show you how to use the tram, and I'm going to catch one. The moment I will get it, I'm going to show it to you. So tram journey is quite long for today because I'm going to go to some mountains and all, but I'm not pretty much sure that whether I will be able to reach on time because they have given me some kind of timings, but I'm not able to go there on time. So as of now I'm just leaving for that particular place. Once I reached, I'll share the details with you. Till then, watch the Sofia, Bulgaria. So I appointed the ticket. I went into the tram and it will now go to the particular place. It's very much empty. So sometimes the gates don't open automatically, so you have to open it of your own, and there is a press button, and yeah, that's how we have to use the tram. Let me show you again. This is the tram lining and all, and on that side there it goes the tram. Okay, till then, bye bye.